Welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. Got a special recipe for you guys today. We're going to do some A1 griddle smash burgers. Let me show you my ingredients. I've got some ground chuck patties here, which I formed. This is about 3 pounds. We've got about 7. I'm going to smash these down when we get outside to the griddle. Just got some onion, which I'm also going to douse in some A1 when I'm caramelizing those on the griddle. I've seasoned these patties with some garlic salt and black pepper. And we're going to top these off, onions on top when they're done, and we're going to melt some provolone cheese on top of that. And a very special tool for the trade today, my buddy Greg at Ballistic BBQ makes these Ballistic Burger Smashers. I ordered one for myself and I can't wait to try it out. So, it's cold outside again today. My griddle is preheating. I'm going to go ahead and get on a jacket, maybe a hat. I'll meet you guys outside. Alright guys, got my onions down here. Just season those with some garlic salt and black pepper. And we're going to start working these and caramelizing these down. Alright, and as promised, we're going to go ahead and add some A1 to these. Alright, we're going to work that A1 in there. You can smell that sauce just hitting that griddle. Smells are just absolutely amazing. And I've got an external mic today. We're trying some new equipment here. So I hope my sound is better than my last few Blackstone videos. You guys will have to leave me some comments and let me know how the sound is. Alright guys, these onions have cooked down a bit. And they're going to be on here for a bit while I do those burgers. So we're going to shove these off here and start getting those burgers on here. Alright, time for these burgers to go on. I want to space these out enough to where we'll have plenty of room to smash these down. And yes, I will clean the cutting board before we put the burgers back on. Alright, time to smash. Let's see how this Ballistic Smasher works. Oh, that looks nice. It's way better than the last thing I was using. Alright, so I'm definitely noticing that this Ballistic Smasher is just badass. Way better than the little thing I was using before, so I'm pleased with that. Alright guys, we're just going to hit these burgers up with a little bit more of this garlic salt black pepper mixture. Okay, my onions are looking perfect and my burgers are almost ready for a flip. Alright, we've got moisture coming up to the top of the burger. There's some brown coming up the sides and these should be ready for a turn. Oh, look at that crust. I know you guys hear me say it all the time. But man, do I just love this griddle. This beautiful crust that it puts on there. Alright folks, we got 4 burgers for the kids and 3 for my wife and I. My wife and I want some onions. So we're just going to go ahead and let these finish cooking with those onions on top. And we're going to cap that with cheese here at the end. And that is just going to be glorious. Alright, ready to start capping these with some cheese here. Alright, we're going to get a little melting going on here. And I want to get a little toast on this bun. I'm the only one that likes toasted buns, so. Alright, these are almost ready to come off. Got a nice toast on these buns. Alright guys, I've got a melt on this. We're going to go ahead and get these burgers pulled off. and put inside. All right, guys, this just smells glorious. I don't know what other word to use. Take a look. I'm just going to do this one burger here for you real quick. We've got the others. The kids are waiting to eat, but we've got the onions. We've got the provolone melted on top. And I'm going to go ahead, as promised, and get a little bit more of this on there. And we'll crown it. Now, time for a bite. Oh, my youngest is here. She's going to watch this. Oh, man. The crust on this burger is fantastic. I mean, I could feel the crunch when I bit into it. Those onions with that A1 flavor in it. The provolone cheese is coming through. That nice toast on the bun. I mean, this is out of this world. This is just something I dreamt up. I don't know if anybody else has done it or not, but I'm glad I did. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope sound and video quality was a little better here. I'm trying to improve all the time. Thanks to Greg for inventing the Ballistic Smasher. That worked out awesome. Definitely got a better crust on these than I have on any other smash burgers I've ever done. Take care till next time. I'll see you guys later.